In this video, we'll explore the condition node and understand how it works. The condition node allows you to control how a flow continues based on specific rules. When you click on it, you can define one or multiple conditions. Conditions can be based on user tags, user custom fields, function. User tag, you can check whether a user has a specific tag, such as lead. User custom fields. For example, you can check whether contest score is greater than 50, or whether total purchases count is equal to or greater than 1. Or whether the user's gender field is equal to male. Function. In the function section, you can check whether the user is currently a follower of your Instagram page and route the flow accordingly. This is especially useful if you want to create a follow-required flow. You can send some initial information first, and then check if the user is a follower. If the user is not following the page, you can ask them to follow before continuing. If you add more than one condition, you must define the logic type. There are two options. All conditions must be true. At least one condition must be true. If the defined logic is satisfied, the flow continues through the true path, which is shown in green. If not, it continues through the false path, which is shown in red. This is how you create multi-branch and intelligent automation flows.